Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Server Build.
Another episode of Crazy Craft Build.
Never scream again. Okay, so we're building a cave. Woo! Place all the cakes down for the Mother Lord. So we're going to be building a cake for
You said that 2 times.
who cares? So this is a build battle, almost. So I guess we start in 3, 2.
Wait! I'm not up. Okay, now I am.
3, 2, 1.
You're gonna win this. Why do? You know what? Why do I even try?
Just try, bro. Try. You're a builder. If you want to be a builder, you gotta stay focused.
But can't I be like a pizza man?
No. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is just
1.
so weird.
Yeah, 5.
Guys, if you heard any background noise of like a little dumb girl, that's her
Botan.
sister.
Botan.
She's, like, so weird.
Botan, I will. How good are you doing right now?
I'm still on the cake part.
I'm at like the
I'm like at the muffin part.
the muffin part. Me too. Like.
Yo, I want to wait until it's day because when it's night, the clay I'm using, it won't really look like the clay. Oh, okay, now it does.
Yeah, I know.
Like if you're using like black clay, it looks like blue and purple.
Good thing I learned how to do the time set day and time set night command.
Can it stay for day forever?
Not really. It'll turn night eventually. So 1,
Okay.
1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then this is icing. This is gonna be icing, right?
They could eat you everything.
Bro, be quiet. I'm focusing.
I'm focusing on nothing. Why do
Seriously?
I even try?
I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna lose this one. For the first time in my life, I'm gonna maybe lose this one.
If you say almost done, that does not count as done. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Unless you actually say like done.
Yeah. So I'm gonna check. The video is not recording. Oh, it is. Okay. Surprise.
Yo, can I bring up a cake?
Yeah. Oh, you didn't know that you can't?
No,
Stop.
I didn't know.
I've been like bringing up a cake, like, and you did. Oh my god.
Like, I never knew you could bring up a cake.
Oh, I didn't really explain that. 1, 2, 3.
That's so embarrassing on
I
camera.
think I explained that, but you didn't really hear it. I think you're deaf, like.
Jacob, this may take a while because I'm changing the color of the frosting.
To what?
I'm not telling you.
Okay.
Because y'all be stupid. And I ain't stupid.
So you're changing it to wool?
Nope.
I hear wool.
Something even better.
Oh no, I'm so scared. Like that's ever gonna happen.
What if it does? Would you go cranky? No. Of course you wouldn't.
No. Not even close.
I think I may win this one. Because last time I tried something extremely dumb for the frosting, which I think Jacob may be using.
Which is...
Not telling you.
No, like, what was your last frosting?
Wool.
Wool? I think I know. I think you're doing the same thing as me.
Well, just to tell you, it ain't a carpet. Is it a carpet?
Nope.
Mine isn't a carpet too.
And fourth. And then go up one.
Is it almost flat on the ground or in the air?
No, flat on the ground. What? Did you do up in the air?
No. Up in the air is more hard for me.
I just prefer like down because it's like kind of more easier.
Yeah, like you're just like wasting time when you do it in the air. And when you do it in the air, you're like, I need to reset. Like it's gonna take like a whole bunch of fun.
Let's add like a little bit more. Right here.
Cool.
You almost done?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Almost done.
Wait. I had a question too.
Yeah.
Are you allowed to place down the cake?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going hardcore. I don't even have one in the hot bar.
You're supposed to.
Supposed to?
Yeah.
You have to.
You have to.
Half.
Stop it. Stop giving me riddles.
You have to.
Jerry, stop giving me math questions. I scream, lifeboat.
Do you actually have to?
I guess. I guess.
I need the charger.
Bro, how much?
Like, I put this thing on and I only have like 6%
right now?
Yeah.
Let's check it for I have 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and plus my iPod charger is more fast.
Wait. Oh, you didn't look. I forgot that you didn't look. I thought you looked.
I didn't look. I don't even know what you're using. Well, I think I know.
What?
I'm not telling you. Are you using snow?
Nope. Are you?
Not spoiling.
Wait. Let's grab out snow. You are using snow. Oh. You are, bro.
Wait a second.
Aren't you? What?
Are you invisible?
No.
Did you look at mine?
No. Bro, I know that you're using snow because I took it out and I heard this same exact sound that wool makes. So, I think...
Diego, like, can you build a cake?
I think I'm done.
Can you build, like, cake with oven mitts beside it?
No.
Because I was like, oven mitts.
Then,
Are you done?
I guess, yeah.
GG, I won. I mean, I'm done. Okay,
You
I'm
done?
done. TP to me.
Okay, I'm going to... No, you TP to me first.
GG, I lost.
I kind of lost, I think. Okay, I'm going to TP.
I lost.
Okay, let me TP to yours. Where is it? Is that spawn?
No.
Okay, good.
Wait, why'd you place down cakes everywhere?
Because it's the mother load of cake.
Did you do yours at spawn too?
No. This is at Pixel Art.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, is this yours or is this like the old one? Oh yeah, that's the old one.
Which one? Which one? This one?
Yeah. Where's yours? Like,
Wait, what?
where's yours?
Oh, this is the old one.
Yeah, that's the old one.
Mine is like somewhere over there.
Okay. I knew you were using it, like the snow. So, bro, if like I thought you would do like in pause.
In pose.
In pose.
I'm in pose now.
Well, I guess Botan lost. So
Like I don't. Wait.
like
Kilobita's pose.
GG.
Area.
GG.
Kilobita's pose area. Do not enter. Only Kilobita. Dun dun.
So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe,
Both of our channels.
and peace. Subscribe to
Mr. Peanut Dude 88.
Yeah, he was you know.
I just changed my YouTube name.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and guys, click like for my new necklace, which is
And goodbye.